Brian Tracy is an international success coach. He has produced a podcast series entitled 21 Great Ways to Double Your Productivity. In this installment of that series, Brian Tracy discusses how to double your output by using the Upside method. You will find the principles discussed in this video simple to implement in your life. The Upside method by Brian Tracy is hands down one of the most effective time management methods anywhere. Brian Tracy says that in order for you to achieve success, you will need to learn to identify and work on your most important tasks until they are complete. The Upside method will help you find your most important tasks and prioritize them. It's easy to figure out your most important task. Think about which of all your tasks will carry the greatest consequences, whether or not it's finished. That's the key, to continually identify the consequences of completing or not completing a given task. The 3 steps of Brian Tracy's successful Upside method. 1. Make a list of all of your to-dos. 2. Go through the list and put one of these letters A, B, C, D, E by each item. A items are your key tasks. There will be major consequences if you don't complete these. Start on these first. B item is should do, but is not as important as an A item. There are only mild consequences to not completing these tasks. The consequences are only short-lived. C tasks have no consequences. They are nice to do, but not essential. They will not contribute to your long-term success in your personal life or career. Remember that you should never work on a B when an A still exists on your list. The same goes for C items. Don't work on these until all of the B tasks are complete. Ds need to be completed but should be given to someone else. In one word, delegate. The only time you should spend on these tasks is the amount of time it takes you to figure out someone to delegate the task to. E stands for eliminate. You can eliminate these tasks and there will be no consequences. If you want to free yourself to work on your A and B tasks, you really need to discipline yourself to get rid of all tasks that can be done by others and to eliminate all non-essential tasks. Lastly, 3. Put A's in order of priority. You do this by placing numbers by each item. 1 for the most important, 2 for the next important, etc. You'll end up with a list that looks like this: a 1, a 2, a 3. Next, stick to A1 until there is nothing left to do on that task. If you truly want to double your productivity, you would be wise to adapt the ABCDE method into your daily planning. Brian Tracy is a master at what he teaches, as demonstrated by his own success.